Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to customize your Shopify store's footer with links, policies, or payment icons? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to edit your footer step by step, no coding needed. First of all, log into your Shopify account, go to shopify.com and log in with your credentials. First of all, now click online store on the left, then go to themes, then click Customize button beside your live theme. Once the editor loads, scroll down to bottom of the preview and click on Footer in the left-hand panel. Here you can customize footer content including menus, newsletter, sign up, or social links depending on your theme. To add links like about, contact, or shopping policy or shipping policy, click on the footer menu. You can edit the menu directly or click Edit Menu. Then customize customer profiles. Edit menu to be redirected to the navigation settings in Shopify, where you can add, remove, or reorder items. From utilities, you can manage social media icons, country and region selector, language selector, payment methods icon, and policies. Like that. Back in the photo editor, you may see toggles for show payments icon, or enable newsletter. Sign up turn is on or off depending on what you want to display. Some themes let you adjust the color or layout too. To change the copyright or brand message at the bottom, scroll down within the footer settings or click on theme settings footer. You can update the next to include your business name or current year. Once you are happy with your changes, click the Save button from the right side corner at the top. Preview your site to make sure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile. And that's it. Editing your Shopify footer is super easy and it keeps your store looking clean and professional. If this guide was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.